pa ang pasok ko. I insist na ihatid lang yung asawa ko sa morning kasi walang bus dito sa amin. So sabi ko sa kanya, whenever he's ready, gisingin niya lang ako. It's like, it's hard. Lots of sacrifices for me, sacrifices for him, but it's all worth it. God is good. Ano lang naman siya, like 10 to 15 minutes drive, so basically 30 minutes back and forth. I've been doing this long time ago, so yeah, sanayan lang din. Back to sleep ako, and then or makatulog pa ulit ako at least for a couple of hours bago sa aking work. So yeah, that's my life, that's our life. Yung anak ko naman, mamaya pa yung school niya. I think right now she's already awake. She's preparing herself to going to school. Naantok pa ang dakilang ina nyo. It's currently 6:25 in the morning. Yeah, malapit na ako sa amin. 2 liko na lang. Let me show you our neighborhood. Magbabaking lang ako to park kasi mahirap ang front in parking dito sa amin, so I always do back reverse parking, which is I found it more easier and comfortable para pag-aalis na rin, ready na rin siya. Okay guys, yan ang aming parking, yan ang aming neighborhood. Now you can see the other side of our house. Ito ay sa back door. Okay guys, see you all later. Have a good day. God bless. Bye for now.